Hi everyone. I'm continuing to test various hydroponic systems to determine the best one. That's why I recently purchased a SF-SmartG12 hydroponics system, and today I'm going to show you what this system is all about. SF is well known for its quality LED grow lights. Therefore, it can be assumed that the LEDs will last a long time. This model features 24-watt LEDs that emit a bright light. In addition to white light, there are red and blue lights, which are necessary for photosynthesis. The light can operate in two modes, vegetables and flowers. The control panel allows you to choose the duration of the light cycle, ranging from 4 to 16 hours. The light hood is attached to the base with a post. The maximum grow height is 20.2 inches. The light post can be detached from both the hood and the base, which is very convenient for system maintenance. The SF-SmartG12 bowl has a generous capacity of 6 liters, which means you won't have to refill it frequently. Additionally, the front wall of the bowl features a narrow window with a scale to easily determine the water level. At the bottom of the bowl, there is an attached pump. However, it is unfortunate that there is no electronic water level sensor included. The bowl can be easily detached from the base for convenient water changes. This thoughtful design makes the system incredibly user-friendly and hassle-free to maintain. The device's pump has a capacity to pump 180 liters of water per hour, which is more than sufficient for effective water oxygenation. However, the absence of a filter is certainly a drawback. To minimize noise, the pump is securely placed on rubber cushions attached to the bowl. Furthermore, it is further secured with a plastic cover. The pump operates in a cycle of 30 minutes on and 30 minutes off. Regrettably, there is no option to manually control the pump's activation or deactivation. The grow deck is highly durable, ensuring long-lasting performance. It boasts a generous size of 15.3 by 9.8 inches, providing ample space for plant growth. There are 12 dedicated holes for cultivating plants, along with 2 ventilation openings and 1 opening for water refill. It's worth noting that the deck does not come equipped with covers for unused holes. However, it does feature a border that surrounds the edges, which proves to be highly practical. This border prevents any water that may spill on the deck from reaching the floor, ensuring a tidy and mess-free setup. The base is constructed from durable plastic and has the capacity to accommodate a bowl containing 6 liters of water. It features a designated spot for securing the light post and a connection point for the power supply to the pump. Embedded within the base is a straightforward control panel. It comprises 4 buttons. The initial button serves as the power switch. Subsequently, you can adjust the desired duration for the light to operate. The last 2 buttons are utilized for selecting the light mode, specifically either vegetables or flowers. This device lacks a screen and Wi-Fi functionality. Consequently, it is not possible to control it through an application. The power adapter operates in the range of 100 to 240 volts. It provides the device with 12-volt direct current. Included with the hydroponic system are bottles of plant food. Specifically, there are 2 100 ml bottles and 2 bags of pellets that need to be diluted in water. Based on my experience, I can confidently say that the plant food will last for a considerable period. Additionally, the package contains grow sponges. These sponges are not pre-seeded, so you will need to purchase your own seeds. The quantity of sponges provided is 14. The system also includes sturdy baskets, capable of supporting larger plants like tomatoes without any issues. Regrettably, there are no stickers included to prevent algae growth on the sponges. However, the package does include growing domes, which is definitely a positive aspect. Furthermore, a user manual for this hydroponic system is included in the kit. And that concludes the unboxing of the SF-SmartG12. I wish you the best of luck. Goodbye.